G'day trendsetters, Rodney from Working Class Van in Willawong, Brisbane. Today I'm going to walk you through this pipe inspection van that we built. So I'll just start with the power system, which is a huge Victron one, 24 volt. So what it consists of four 200 amp hour 24 volt lithium batteries. That's running this inverter charger, which is 70 amp, nice big one. On the DC-DC side of it, we've gone with the Enerdrive DC to DC charger, 30 amp, 24 volt of course. We've got 600 watts of solar on the roof to keep it going. That's all running through this MPPT charger through Victron, and that'll run through the Lynx Smart BMS system. So also a feature of this particular one is the massive aircon system, which keeps them nice and cool in this section. So we're using the Syncro system for the drawers and cabinets. We've also made a stone bench top, which is nice and durable. We've also made in-house the lining, which is all insulated, so roof and panels, mostly aluminium. So in the back here, we've gone with the Syncro shelving, which is nice durable stuff. Underneath that, custom made sign holders, also long item holders here. An awning that comes out and in, which is electric controlled. Also this generator slide, so what this is for is their inspection robot. Slide it out and in to make it a bit more easy accessible. And an electric pump hose so they can easy wash down.